How to delete Lyft account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Lyft app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download this application. Then you simply want to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, if by some reason you want to delete your Lyft account, you simply have to follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the option of Help. Then tap on the option of Profile and Account. Here you're going to find different options. You want to select the first one, which is Edit Profile or Account. Here you're going to find the options of Update Phone Number, Change Profile Picture and Name, Adding Your Pronouns and Delete My Account. Tap on the last option. Here it says if you request to delete your Lyft data, it will delete your account and information to the extent required by applicable law. If you want to delete it, tap on the How to Delete Your Lyft Account option. Over here you have a link which is Delete My Account and also the process that you need to follow. Now once you tap on the link, you will have to log into your account. Once you log in, you can choose to download your data or delete your account. Tap on the Start option under the Delete Account section. Select a reason for account deletion request. Confirm your request by entering Delete into the text box. Once you select Delete Account, then the request cannot be undone. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.